Tree Trimming Rochedale South. Tree Lopping Logan Co provides reliable tree services in Rochedale South, tailored to support safety and property aesthetics. Our team delivers expert tree trimming Rochedale South, enhancing tree shape and sunlight access. For unsafe or overgrown trees, our safe and efficient Tree Felling Rochedale South is the right choice. After removal, we offer smooth Stump Grinding Rochedale South to eliminate hazards and roots. Planning development. Our fast Land Clearing Rochedale South prepares your land for future use with minimal disruption.